How a broken truck crankshaft is reassembled in two pieces, a never-seen-before technique. Visuals. Dramatic close-up of a cracked truck crankshaft lying on a workshop table. A montage of welding sparks, precision tools, and mechanics working on the repair. How a broken truck crankshaft is reassembled in two pieces, a never-seen-before technique. Imagine the heart of your truck, the crankshaft, breaking down. This critical part keeps your engine running smoothly, but today we're showing you an innovative, never-seen-before method of assembling a broken crankshaft in two pieces. How a broken crankshaft comes back to life, engineering innovation. A mechanic inspecting a cracked crankshaft, pointing out the damage. Zoom in on the crack, highlighting its severity. How a broken truck crankshaft is reassembled in two pieces, a never-seen-before technique. When a crankshaft breaks, it's usually the end of the line for that part. The massive forces involved in its operation make repairs almost impossible, and replacement is often the only option. But what if we could fix it instead of throwing it away? Cut to mechanics brainstorming at a workstation, sketching ideas on paper and CAD software. How a broken truck crankshaft is reassembled in two pieces, a never-seen-before technique. This is where ingenuity and engineering expertise come into play. And today, you'll see how a broken crankshaft can be reassembled, stronger than ever. Visuals. The broken crankshaft being cleaned and inspected with advanced tools, including lasers and SC reaming equipment. The technician carefully examines the fracture points for any signs of wear or damage. The reassembly process begins with aligning the two pieces using precision machinery to ensure a perfect fit.